Hi guys, this is Peter and welcome to the GIZGUIDEPH channel. In case you missed it, recently we reported that Huawei will soon introduce the top-of-the-line version of the Huawei P40 in the country. And this is it, the Huawei P40 Plus. Yes, you heard me guys, right? Hindi pa ito yung pinaka-high-end smartphone ni Huawei, not the P40 Pro, but this one, the P40 Pro Plus. So, let's explore it. So guys, this is the packaging of the phone. As you can see here, you get the Huawei P40 Pro Plus text, and then you also see that it has the co-engineered with Leica logo. Leica, it is the legendary German camera maker, and it is the partner of Huawei in tuning their cameras and the lenses of their cameras. Also, you see here that it has this Explore It on App Gallery tag. That means that this phone doesn't have Google out of the box, and you can get your apps using the App Gallery. App Gallery is Huawei's own version of the App Store, and it's now the third largest app store in the world. Anyway, here on the side you get another P40 Pro Plus branding, and the not for sale tag, as we cannot sell this because this is a review unit and we will be returning it to Huawei as soon as we finish the review. And then here we see that it is the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, and we get 512 gigs of storage. That's massive. And then you also get 8 gigs of RAM and the white ceramic model. Also, we see here that it has dual SIM and 5G connectivity. Yes guys, this one already has 5G, and 5G is the next generation technology for connectivity that all of us will be using in the very near future. Now let's proceed with the unboxing. As you can see, I have the other P40 here. It's the P40 Pro regular version. Okay, here's the phone itself. It's a very beautiful looking handset. It is in white ceramic colorway. I think because the body of this one is made out of ceramic with some sort of scratch resistance. And then next is you get this thing. This is the SIM ejector tool. This is the Huawei SIM ejector tool that you will use to open this part. Here you get that it is a single dual SIM slot with a nano card reader, and then you get this 40 watts charger, the Huawei supercharger. So it's Huawei's own version of the fast charging charger with 40 watts in total. And then you also see that it has this cable, the USB-A to USB Type-C cable. This is the fast charging cable of Huawei, so don't lose it. And then you get this usual earbuds. I think this earbuds is Type-C. Yeah, it's a Type-C earbuds, and it has this left plus and minus marking, meaning it has a volume rocker, and then there is a single button here for remote. This is the microphone part as well. Anyway, that's everything inside the box. I do not know yet if this is the official retail package because it doesn't have a case. Normally, there is a case included in the package, like for example my P40 Pro, wherein I have a TPU clear case that I can easily put here to protect my phone from accidental damages. But for the case of P40 Pro Plus, there's no case included. Maybe because this is not the official retail package of the phone. But here, as you can see here, it has a pre-installed screen protector. My Huawei P40 Pro doesn't have a pre-installed screen protector, and that is nice. It is an addition that I'd love to see on Huawei devices, and I'm glad that it is here. In terms of build and design, the P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus have a lot of things in common. They look the same, but they are slightly different. Here, as you can see, the camera hump on the P40 Pro Plus is bigger, while the P40 Pro has a smaller camera hump. Why? See, P40 Pro Plus, it has a total of 5 cameras here at the back, while the P40 Pro only has 4. Also, the materials used at the back are a little bit different. The P40 Pro, it is using a matte frosted glass design, while the P40 Pro Plus is equipped with a ceramic back cover, which is more premium, and I believe it is also tougher as it has this certain type of sapphire glass-like of protection. Huawei said that it is almost as tough as sapphire. So that is a huge upgrade in terms of toughness compared to the glass P40 Pro. In front, they are the same. They are both using the same screen size. It is an almost 2K screen with a dual punch hole for all the sensors and the selfie camera. And that is impressive as Huawei was able to put all of these sensors for secured face unlocking with 3D edge detection on this small cutout. Also, if you can notice, the display has this quad curve overflow type of design, and Huawei is very proud of that, and why not? It looks nice, and this is one of the better screens on flagship smartphones today. Apart from the materials used and the number of cameras, the differences of the P40 Pro and the P40 Pro Plus are in the storage and charging technology. P40 Pro, it has a wired 40 watt supercharge with 27 watts wireless supercharge at the back, while the P40 Pro Plus also has a 40 watts wired supercharge below via USB-C, but it has 40 watts of super fast wireless charging at the back. The ceramic back cover of this phone is capable of doing the 40 watts wireless supercharge, and currently 40 watts is the fastest among all smartphones for wireless charging, and the P40 Pro Plus is one of the first to have that technology. For storage, both phones have 8 gigabytes of RAM, but they differ in memory. The P40 Pro only has 256 gig. While 256 gig is big, this one has 512 gigabytes of storage, and 512 gigabytes of storage is one of the biggest on smartphones right now. Checking the camera specs further, both of these devices have a main camera with 50 megapixels. That 50 megapixels camera is an RYYB sensor, and it is a custom sensor by Huawei, Leica, and Sony. That is actually one of the largest sensors that you will find on smartphones today. And then both of them have periscope cameras, 8MP periscope cameras, but the periscope camera of the P40 Pro Plus is deeper. It also has another camera for optical zoom, which has a 3 times optical zoom camera, aside from the ultra wide and the 3D TOF. So it has a total of 5 cameras instead of just 4. That means that this handset can do better zoom than the P40 Pro. P40 Pro is already one of the best smartphones when it comes to zooming, as it has this 50 times digital zoom in total, while the P40 Pro Plus is actually even better, as it has up to 100 times digital zoom. If you want an optical zoom, it has up to 10 times optical zoom, and then maybe even up to 20 times you can get a decent hybrid lossless zoom. And that is actually the farthest zoom on any smartphone today, along with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. In terms of processor, the two phones are equipped with the 7nm EUV plus Kirin 990 5G processor with a triple core NPU, and they also have the same GPU as well, and the same 4200 mAh of battery. And these phones also have 5G connectivity, and that is the next level connectivity technology that we will be using in the next few years. Since the Huawei P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus are both equipped with the same chipset, I expected them to have similar scores, but for some weird reason, the score of the P40 Pro Plus is higher. Maybe because of its use of a higher memory storage. That's why it has this 526,000 score compared to the almost 500k score of the P40 Pro regular version. And compared to the Galaxy S20 Ultra, previously this phone can achieve up to 500k in terms of Antutu benchmark, I believe around 510, 520. But after the update, it can only record this type of score. But that is for stability. At least it is now more stable. But as we can see here, it is impressive that the Kirin 990 5G scores higher than the Exynos 990 of Samsung. I won't really dig deep too much on the performance of these devices as we already have the Huawei P40 Pro review in comparison with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus in our website, and they are likely the same, and actually they are very similar in terms of overall specs, battery, and more. The difference is in the camera department, so we will be checking that out now. And I will be comparing it with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, as these are the only phones with up to 100 times digital zoom. Let's begin. So guys, this is the new Huawei P40 Pro Plus, and today we will be doing the super zoom test. Why this smartphone can shoot up to 100 times zoom. So now I'm in the ultra wide mode, and then we will zoom to 3 times. There you go. And then we will switch to 10 times zoom. There you go. That is an optical zoom at 10 times, and then we will zoom all the way to 33.5. As you can see, it's still quite sharp. And then we will zoom to 53 times zoom, and then now we will switch to the 100x zoom. There you go. The distance, this is in Mandaluyong near Calentong, and that building is in Ortigas. It is that far. My quick thoughts: the Huawei P40 Pro Plus is a very good looking phone. It feels great in the hands, It looks beautiful, the display is gorgeous as expected, and it has a better overall build quality compared to other flagship smartphones. I like that it has an IP68 rating and this ceramic back design that is very tough. Also, the cameras. I believe this is the best camera specs on any smartphone right now, because it has a total of 5 cameras with the largest sensor and the largest zooming range on any smartphone. Also, you get 512 gigs of storage. That is massive. And you get 5G. You get 40 watts wireless charging. Everything about this phone is future ready and future proof. So if you will be getting this, I think that this handset can last for quite a while. It may not have Google apps, but it has the Huawei app gallery. This is the place where you can download most of the popular apps. And if the app is not yet on the Huawei app gallery, you can always use the AppGo. AppGo is the place where you can search for other popular apps that are not found on Huawei's app ecosystem yet. And it will help you download them from third-party sources. Again, so far I am quite pleased with this phone, but I can't give you yet my full review because it does not have the official local price tag yet. But I'm hoping that Huawei will give this a very good price tag for it to be more competitive than other handsets in the flagship department. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Visit us on Facebook. We also have an Instagram page at GIZGUIDEPH. Again, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye!